The essential understanding for this lesson is adding groups of 10 is similar to adding numbers less than 10. Previously, students solved addition facts with sums to 10. They also used connecting cubes to model tens and counted by tens to identify decade numbers. In this lesson, students apply basic addition facts to add tens. In this problem, students compare an equation that involves a basic addition fact to an equation that involves adding tens and use the first equation to help solve the second. Both equations have the same non-zero digits. This problem is key because it helps students make a connection between the basic addition facts they already know and adding groups of 10. Listen and look for students who use a basic addition fact to complete the first equation. Then they use a strategy, such as counting on tens, to complete the second equation. Listen for these students to describe similarities in the equations. For example, they may say that both are addition equations and that there are a 3 and a 5 in both equations. However, they do not explain how completing the first equation could help them complete the second equation. To help these students make connections between the equations, have them use base 10 blocks to model the addends in each. By asking guiding questions, help students see that the numbers of ones they add in the first equation is the same as the numbers of tens they add in the second equation. So, the total number of ones and the total number of tens is the same. They can use the sum of the ones to find the sum of the tens. Listen and look for other students who explain how to use the first sum to find the second sum. They already know the addition fact 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Then they think of 30 plus 50 as the sum of 3 tens plus 5 tens. Since 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, 3 tens plus 5 tens must be equal to 8 tens, or 80. These students demonstrate that they understand how adding groups of 10 is similar to adding numbers less than 10. This strengthens students' understanding of the place value system and prepares them to add tens to any two-digit number.